Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can scan a code to find an area on Google Maps, so let's get right into it. Now, what you can scan to find a certain location is the QR code. Now, the QR code is not located within Google Maps, nor is there a QR code scanner on Google Maps. Of course, there isn't one on the PC version, but there also isn't one on the mobile version as well, where you would probably expect it to be. To access QR codes, for example, I'll give the example of both sharing or accessing it. If you want to share it, you can easily just find any location you are looking for. So for example, let's say Bethesda Terrace. Just click on it or tap on it if you're using mobile, then click share, and you can easily copy the link and use that link to create a QR code. You can share this QR code with whomever you want, and then they can scan it and they can access that location through Google Maps. Now, if you have a QR scanner on your phone, that's perfect. Most phones usually have a QR scanner functionality within their camera. If you do, you can just use your camera to scan it very easily and just tap on the link. Or if not, you can use any other QR scanner app. There are tons of them on both the App Store and the Play Store, and you can very easily find them for free, and they'll be available to you at any time to scan them. However, you might also have other apps which do scanning on your phone except for your camera, so you can search through your phone for that as well. And alternatively, you can also, of course, just use any app that has the QR scanner. I know Viber has one, maybe WhatsApp has one as well. I do know they have an embedded one for linking devices. I'm not sure if you can scan any QR code, but yeah, that is pretty much all there is to it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.